Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Streamline Builds. Today we're just going to be swapping out a starter solenoid on my 2008 Polaris RZR. I already changed it once and still couldn't get any signal. It wasn't working, and had heard on the internet that if your brake lights work, then your brake valve check solenoid pressure switch, whatever it's called, is working. However, that's not the truth, because my brake lights were working, and I found that in here I've got it looped, and there's your switch right there, and it was very dirty, but the brake lights were working fine, and this was dirty, but the connections seemed clean, and it actually arced when I had little sparks I could see when I hooked up this jumper wire to it without doing any cleaning. So it had continuity. This switch is just bad, and apparently wasn't grounding this through as it's supposed to, because as soon as I did that, the new solenoid that I had installed was clicking, just a small little click I could feel when I turned the key, which it never did before. So all that being said, ended up going to buy this Ford style. This was for a '69 Ford F100, and as you can see, I just cut the wires off here. That way I can still retain the plug and factory wiring in the RZR without getting crazy, screwing things up. The only thing that doesn't fit is the wires here. They're just so close. I mean, it's really close, but we're gonna have to just use a step drill bit and just barely file them out. If you have a round file and feel like doing it that way, maybe that's what you should do. But we're gonna hook this up. I already touched the wires together. This was the main trigger lead from the key. Goes on the S terminal here, and that was I believe it was the white with orange stripe wire in your factory harness. So wherever that went through, just hook that up to the S side, and then you just have to look at how these go. This one, it showed that this is the battery side and this is the out to the starter side. So just gonna hook it up down here, bolt it to the factory bolt so it's grounded, and bolting location on the frame here so it's grounded, and then try and keep these covered up as good as I can with the factory little wiring covers here. And I just made sure and use this little guy to break the connection at the battery, so I don't have any power going to this while I'm doing that, and be good to go. So we'll be right back. Just gonna get that connected and we'll see how it works. And what do we got? Boom. Okay, here goes nothing. Everything's buttoned up. Little fuel pump. Woo! It works. I don't know if this thing will run because I have yet to get it run. That's how I bought it, but it's the first time it's turned over with the key, so that's pretty awesome. Well, hey, we accomplished what we set out to do. We keep working on this, but thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.